Welcome back to Unity Car, where we bring you the world's most stunning, luxurious, and heart-capturing rides. Imagine a ride that doesn't just take you to your destination, but turns the entire journey into a royal experience. Today, we present to you a true masterpiece, the RV Camper. The first time you see the RV Camper, its magnificent design and sturdy build instantly draw you in. This camper is crafted with a lightweight yet durable aluminum frame, giving it a long life while keeping it easy to handle. It's coated in a glossy high-finish paint that can withstand harsh weather and shines like a mirror under showroom lights. On top, a stylish and solid roof is fitted, protecting you from sun, rain, and wind, while completing its royal look. Every corner is detailed with polished steel accents, adding both beauty and extra protection. From the front, its aerodynamic design and unique style catch your eyes immediately, while the smooth flowing lines on the side profile make it even more attractive. Now, let's step inside. Opening the door, you're greeted by an incredibly comfortable cushioned swing chair, upholstered in soft velvet. This swing isn't just for sitting, it's a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the journey. The floor is covered with a soft, elegant light pink carpet, giving you a warm and pleasant feeling the moment you step in. On one side, there's a folding bed that opens and closes with ease, saving space while ensuring complete comfort on long trips. Next to the bed sits a small wooden table, neatly arranged with a tea set and snacks, so you can enjoy the comfort and taste of home even while traveling. The RV Camper is a rare combination of style, strength, and comfort that you won't find anywhere else. Whether you're driving through the city streets or heading out on a long road trip, it makes every moment special and unforgettable. Unity Car, where every ride tells a new story.